Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete Picsart profile on phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete your Picsart profile, first open up a Picsart app as I've already opened it. And after opening your Picsart app, guys, you'll land on this interface. Where on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, guys, you can see the person or profile icon available for us. Tap on the person or profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you land over here. And after landing on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see the pen icon available for us. Tap on the pen icon at the top left corner of the screen, and you land over here, where if you scroll down you can see the delete profile button available for us. Tap on the delete profile button over here, and you can see you'll be required to choose a reason. I'll be just tapping on other, and just tap on next, and let's say it's hard to use for demo, and let's go and tap on next, guys. And with that being done, continue through the procedure and you'll be able to delete your procedure from over here. And with that being said, guys, this is how to delete your Picsart profile on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.